Visitors can interact with blog posts with comments and simple likes. You can enable or disable these features, customize how they'll work on your site, and manage the comments. To open comment settings, open the Blog Preferences panel, click Comment Settings, edit settings to enable comments, control permissions, and choose how they display. After enabling comments globally in comment settings, you can enable or disable comments for individual blog posts. Hover over the post and click the three-dot menu. Then click Settings. In the Options tab, switch the Comments toggle on. To close the blog post comments after a certain amount of time, click Disable Comments, click Scheduled, then select the date and time. To manage comments, scroll down, then click Manage Comments in the blog page panel. This option only appears if you enabled comments. Comments are sorted as unmoderated, approved, or flagged. If a visitor includes an email address with a comment, their email address appears next to their name. If you require comments to be approved before they're posted, they'll appear in the Unmoderated tab. After a comment is approved, or doesn't require approval, it appears in the Approved tab. And if a visitor flags a comment, it appears in the Flagged tab. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.